we're at True Blue, and this is our newest remodel home that we're going to walk through with you. The mudroom, fun fact, was actually an addition to the original home. This was part of the garage. So if you come on in here with me, you can see there's so many little details, like the floor. Might just look like a white floor, super detailed. This beadboard detail on the pedestal for the washer dryer, wonderful. We have two different kinds of butcher block. We have this nice dark walnut looking butcher block, and then we have this light wood to give some accent in the room. Tons of storage, more beadboard here. We have these beautiful sconces for mood lighting. Tons of storage, like a broom closet, hidden storage for your hamper or your garbage can. That's what it's called. This is the entrance to the garage, and then we have these beautiful dark stained doors all throughout the home to make the white a little bit more contrast, to have a little bit of character throughout the whole home. And then we walk into the great room, an open concept kitchen and living room. Fun fact, before we did work on this house, there is a wall right here separating the spaces, and the stairs were right in the middle of the home. We didn't love that. Gutted everything, moved the stairs here, and now we have this beautiful open concept kitchen. We have these wonderful countertops from the underside. There's a little bit of a cream tint to them. We have all new appliances here, a fun cooktop in the island, tons of storage underneath the island, and tons of room for counter stools, so we can all sit right here because there's no dining room in here. A huge factor in here, and a fan favorite, is this coffee bar on the side with these beautiful thick wood floating shelves that are just completely stainless. It's completely natural wood. You can see that we turned this simple subway tile into a herringbone design, so that gives a little bit of texture and a little bit of character to the home. We have it all around the kitchen, all the way up to the ceiling. More sconces, of course, because that's my favorite thing to put in a home. And then you can also see the beautiful light fixture above the island. Not black, not white, but a kind of a brushed gold to give a little bit of contrast and difference to all the black light fixtures throughout the home. Another fun detail in the living room is the shiplap wall here. As we continue through the house, we have our wonderful guest bathroom, which we also completely gutted because there was a door right here before we did it that led into the master, but we turned this into a guest bathroom. Beautiful new shower. Look at that tile. That may be my favorite tile in the whole house, is this guest bathroom. And a fun little detail here is on the little soap insert. We actually have the same countertops that we have in the kitchen to tie the whole home together. A little bit different with a dark black countertop in the bathroom. A little controversial, but I love a black countertop. A fun circle mirror and tons of storage. A little fun hallway closet. You would think it's just a coat closet. It's actually a pantry closet with even more shelving and an appliance shelf, 24-inch deep appliance shelf for all of your appliances that you don't want on your counters. Okay, going into the master bedroom. Huge master bedroom. Fun fact, this wall, this closet, we actually built in because their master was just massive. And it was this entire space. And nobody really needs that much space in their bedroom. So, a super fun detail in here is these sconces. They each have their own light switch and they each have dimmers. That's a super fun detail. We do have the bed frame in here already. A wonderful feature is this beautiful walk-in closet of my dreams. Tons of storage. This is all, you know, the woman's storage. The man has this small corner in the side. But it's plenty for him. He's happy. We're happy if he's happy, right? Love this pocket door detail. Can't see through, but it looks like a window. And then easily the best part of the whole home is this master bathroom. Let's just take a second and take it all in because it turned out so well. Every mirror there has a LED light option. It also has this button, it's not fogging in here, a defogger button. Super cool mirrors. Beautiful light fixtures. This color is probably my favorite paint color in the whole house. This is worn pewter from Sherwin-Williams, and I will be using this in another remodel because it's beautiful. The flooring detail, actually the same flooring in the bathroom as the walk-in shower. The same floor detail with this marble looking tile on the walls to give it a very expensive spa-like feel with a waterfall shower head. Rain shower head, it's actually called, not waterfall. And then who says that you can't have a cute little toilet corner with extra hidden storage? Going on into the basement, we have a brand new staircase. So much space. The ceilings are so tall in here. Minor detail, the railing is not finished yet. So we didn't do too much to the basement, but we put new carpet in, we finished the walls. Half of the basement was slightly unfinished. Got a nice paint color in here. The residents already have their brand new sofa in here. They're gonna have a nice entertainment spot for holidays. They can have their family over. It's gonna be wonderful. And throughout the entire home, we put new light fixtures in on the ceilings. And fun fact, they are all dimmable. Wow, amazing. We have a new entrance here into the storage room. Nothing fancy in there, but it's a new entrance. And then over here, we have another added closet for more storage, like suitcases and stuff that you don't use very often. This bathroom was already here, but we just did a nice sprucing up of the bathroom. New vanity, a nice new faucet, a nice new mirror, lights, and then we just upped the tub a little bit. So a nice little refresh. Coming over here, there's a little bit of stuff in the way, but we have Brian's wonderful new office space. This is going to be his man's den. So we upped this, have a nice new light fixture, and of course the nice dark doors go all the way through the home. Thanks for walking through this remodel with us, guys. If you want to see more, you can find me on Instagram and Facebook at Jeanne Designs, and you can find True Blue on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube at truebluecs.com.